Royole, a little-known mobile company with offices in Fremont, California, Hong Kong and the hardware center of China, Shenzhen 7.8-inch folding FlexPai tablet phone at an event in Beijing on Wednesday. Royole took off the wrapper. The device has a flexible area in the middle that allows it to fold with the back inward, making it a fairly thick dual-screen phone. The 6GB model with 128GB storage is available to consumers in China today for 8,999 yuan $1,295, while the 8GB model with 256GB costs 9,998 yuan for $1,438. A developer version of the FlexPai is available globally now, while consumers in China can buy the consumer edition today. Royole says he expects to send the devices by the end of December. Royole says he runs the FlexPai through durability tests, doubling it more than 200,000 times. In a folded state, the device has a main screen and a secondary screen that can be used together or independently. The folded border also shows notifications, which Royole has used to manage calls, messages and notifications that no longer need to be on the larger screens. As for the specifications, is running a SoC's Snapdragon 8 series, and has a 20-megapixel camera and a 16-megapixel camera. The AMOLED screen has 1920 x 1440 pixels. It also has a fast charge, a micro SD slot, a fingerprint reader and a USB-C port. It is running on a Water operating system based on Android 9.0.